All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I didn't mention it yesterday's video, but ran out of wire, so I had to switch job sites again back to the job site that I was on Tuesday. So I didn't work at the dock today, but I'll be back there on Tuesday because I have Monday off because of 4th of July. But anyways, at the beginning of the day, worked on hanging these struts off of the top of the beam, or the bottom of the beams, driving around with the aerial lift. After that, I went ahead and worked on drilling holes in this box and piping out of this box for the rest of the day. Got the 3/4 and the 1/2 inch on the left and the right side that you're looking at, and then on the back side, or the north side in the picture, got a 1 inch, a 3/4, and a 1/2 inch hole drilled. But anyways, worked on piping the 1 inch pipe for a while. Just had some hammer on beam clamps. If you follow that down, this is going to be a very slow transition. But anyways, worked on piping the 1 inch down to the wall, and then I kicked it with a 45/45 because there was a column in the way, so I couldn't 90 off of the column. I couldn't 90 off of the beam to the wall, so I had to avoid that with a 45/45, and it turned out really nicely. I was piping into this gutter that was already existing, and there was some abandoned pipes, so I just took one of the bent 90s already, cut it down a little bit, flipped it, or didn't flip it, but I loosened the 90, turned it to the right, and then I put a little kick in it to get it off of the wall onto the strut. Well, guys, if there's some extreme OGs under like 200 subscribers, probably like 40 subscribers or less at the time, but anyways, this is the house that my parents built just in the neighborhood, so I figured I'd drive by, wired the whole thing. So yeah, still standing, hasn't burned down yet, so that's good, no problems. But anyways, yeah, just stopping by, and this probably could have been my house, but my mom turned a profit on it, so anyways, probably more expensive than I wanted to have anyways for our first house, but possibly could have been mine, but didn't work out. So anyways, all good now, and yeah, just stop by, and it's looking good, so yeah. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help the channel grow, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. As always, also check the description for anything else like social media or video playlist that might help you out with your electrical career or anything like that. And hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. I hope you guys have a great 4th of July. Stay safe out there. Like I said, I won't be working Monday, but I had a really good day today. The morning was actually surprisingly slow, but the end of the day was actually surprisingly faster, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'll be back on the docks on Tuesday, like I said, pulling wire. Hopefully finish that up and get all the lights burning, but I have my doubts because they want to send me somewhere else on Wednesday, but we'll see. Maybe I'll be at the docks for Tuesday and Wednesday, but we'll see. So anyways, hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.